Thank you so much. Hello to everybody, wherever in the world you are. This is truly the best place to be. So I'm Nat, a scientific and strategy officer and the co-founder of WeVoice. The question I bring today on the table is, how do you manage your stress, anxiety, depression, and transform them consciously? In the past few months, my soulmate and I were trying to conceive a baby, and 9 out of 10 couples in my immediate environment, those who are biohackers and health experts, are not conceiving from the first time. And you can't imagine my happiness when my period got delayed, and I've got a test and it showed one stripe, just one stripe to the basket of stress. Stress has become #1 killer today. And other than affecting the fertility, it affects aging, focus, concentration, productivity, mental clarity, sleep disorders, creativity, and so on. And we're just not in the habit of tracking our stress patterns and transform them consciously. And how long are we willing to wait and pay the price we're paying right now? So I'm Nat, a Chief Scientific and Strategy Officer of WeVoice, ex-Mind Valley, and a transformational coach. And taking the advantage of all my learnings, we are on a mission with my team to empower 1 billion people to consciously transform their stress, anxiety, and depression patterns and to boost their mental well-being in a matter of 7 minutes. We're able to give you back the best version of yourself in terms of health, mind, impact, performance, and human connectedness, and unleash your self-healing power. How? We measure your vocal biomarkers while you're talking and analyzing them by voice emotion AI, combined with transformational therapies, and provide you a solution of digitalized sound healing with binaural bits that in the matter of 7 minutes is able to make brain entrainment and transform your mental well-being. And as an output, we again measure your vocal biomarkers, help you to track your patterns by this biofeedback, and bring you back to the passive resourceful being. And entering the market, our goal is to take our sweet spot in the wellness industry, combining users from both segments of self-improvement and meditation and mindfulness. And we're certainly aware of the key competitors in the field, like WeBot, like Uper, Headspace, and Calm. And we also know what they're missing in terms of clinical validation and biofeedback and scientifically based solutions. So our sweet spot is to be really evidence-based and clinically developed, and to be at the top 3% of existing apps on the market targeting well-being. And WeVoice bring those 3 key elements in place, which is learning, transformation, fun, and community, and brings a very solid R&D core and clinical validation. We would like to correlate our vocal biomarkers with endocrine system response, with behavioral and mood tracker and neurobiofeedback to create this data fusion. We have finishing our alpha testing right now this week, and 95% of our customers have reported the efficient and faster stress release as compared to other set of apps. Starting from May, we're starting our beta testing, and the product is planned to launch in July. And we're starting our R&D and clinical validation in Q3, and we'll be running clinical trials up to Q4 2022. Our business model is such that we have a subscriptional model. For now, it's B2C approach. We have 2 packages, basic and premium. We're offering our clients the 2 months of free trial to be able to create the habit. And here on the slide, you may see our financial projection for the next 5 years. I would say that the biggest product itself is the founding team. Anton, who is a CTO, and our digital Viking, who has 10 years of experience in software development, who built startups. Alfonso, who is our SEO, the visionary and the dots connector. Our light chaser, who has 12 years of experience in procurement and R&D in pharma industry, and also built startups. Myself, Natalia, PhD in nanomedicine and pharma innovations, worked for 12 years in R&D, and bringing also ex-Mind Valleys as bringing also transformational coaching perspective. And the rest of the team is our lead in sound healing, Carlos, our head of marketing, Olga, Jonathan, who is our data scientist, and our R&D partners, sound lead and sound generator, and Adam and Francisco, who is our psychiatrist and neurobiofeedback expert. And we have already raised the money for the pre-seed. So next we will be nurturing our seed round to raise up to 1.5 billion for marketing, for R&D, and for
10 seconds
validation and team. And that's it. Be true to your well-being. The best time is now. Thank you.